Hi guys, so it's a Sunday afternoon and I'm back on Rohit NG Top Wandering Stallion. It's a Sunday and naturally on Sundays I tend to get very late in everything. Breakfast, then I had a shower and finally my hair is looking much better. I had a shampoo as well and it started to rain outside and my pet also had a shower today. So it's a lovely Sunday afternoon, it's raining and I'm back on YouTube. Let's begin with the thought. What thought to taste today about life in general, about friendship and relations. You make a lot of friends in life, you make a lot of relations in life, and there are special occasions which everyone has. And if you are not invited for those special occasion, you tend to feel that did the friendship ever occur? Was there a friendship only from your side? And sometimes there are certain emergencies in the life of those people that they cannot invite you, but it's a fact, they can inform you. If you're not invited to the occasions, if you don't tell you in case of an emergency that why on that very before celebrating that occasion that we can't invite you, trust me, from their side they never considered you as your friend. You only consider them as your friend. And so what that does to you is that's a reality, but there's nothing to feel sad about. And as it's said in religion, follow us, but at the same time, wish good for others. You only wish good for those people, but with the realization that you were never in their record books of a friends list. You were never their friend. So in case tomorrow you have some good occasion, you have some occasion where you invite people, you have a choice. You can either, you have a right to not invite them, but if you invite them also, that is your decision. But at the same time, it is in your hands. You have the right to decide whether you want those people to be with you on those occasions or not. Beautiful weather. So as I'm starting to do karaoke also on YouTube as well, I want to do this beautiful track which I really loved. When I was in Cardiff, I used to listen to this nearly every day, and I want to try it again. Beautiful track. Here I go. From the very beautiful track, it's about Lamhe, which are very important in life. We have got so many moments in our life which we really remember, and this is like a track which takes me into that. Like when I was sitting a long time back, I spent 5 years in Cardiff, and at that time, this song was on my mind because probably a few years before that only this song was released, and I really love this. It has got beautiful vibes, and I really want to try this track now. It's Pite Lamhe, and I just need to sort the music out. Hopefully everything goes right. Here I go. That's a karaoke instrument. Yeah. It's raining outside. Very beautiful.
दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं। दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, बीते लम्हे चंद लम्हात के वास्ते सही मुस्कुरा कर मिली थी मुझे जिंदगी। चंद लम्हात के वास्ते सही मुस्कुरा कर मिली थी मुझे जिंदगी। तेरी आगोश में दिन थे मेरे कटे, तेरी बाहों में ही मेरी रात सारे गमों को भुला जाते हैं, दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, बीते लम्हे मेरे कांधे पे सिर को झुकाना तेरा, मेरे सीने में खुद को छुपाना तेरा, मेरे कांधे पे सिर को झुकाना तेरा, मेरे सीने में खुद को छुपाना तेरा, आके मेरी पनाह हो में शामों से कांच की तरह वो टूट जाना तेरा, वो आज भी जब वो मंजर नजर आते हैं, दिल की वीरानियों को मिटा जाते हैं, दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, दर्द में बीते लम्हे दर्द में बीते लम्हे, बीते लम्हे, दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, बीते लम्हे.
So probably I was saying I will do a couple of tracks. No, this is the only one I will do today. Probably this track, Beete Lamhe, is like an amazing track sung by the legendary singer who's Dobo KK, and I really love this track. And you can subscribe to me on Rohit NG Top Wandering Stallion. I'll be posting my thoughts, sometimes my gym workout or going for bike rides, anything which can come. And I had stopped singing but 3 months back, but now I feel like I will do a few tracks always. So you can subscribe to me on Rohit NG Top Wandering Stallion, and also you can follow me on the Star Maker ID 621125095526. A lovely weather today. I had a shower as well. My pet had a shower as well. And it's a Sunday afternoon, and I'll be wandering out somewhere in some time. Have a nice day.
बीते लम्हे दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, बीते लम्हे.
Have a nice day. Bye bye for now. See you then.